Hello everyone, welcome to my blog. The question for today is this: do you really forget your first language after living abroad for a couple of years? Well, it depends. Now, if you move to another country when you were an adult, it takes a long time before you forget your first language. It doesn't happen overnight. Namanggoy ubang mga Pilipino, pagbalik nila sa Pilipinas, dili naman ka mao magbisaya or magtagalog. Nakalimot na daw sila sa ilang first language, na butbut na, inaltera na nila, itulod galing na, di ba, miingon manag, agay! Di ba? So, dili gyud na nimo malimtan ang imong first language, especially kung tigulang na ka, nag-move out and live to another country. In my case, I've been here in the United States for 26 years. I speak English at home and I also speak English at work. Pero wala man ko makalimot sa akong first language. Maayo pa manggihapon ko magbinisaya or magtagalog. So, it depends. It takes a long time before you forget your first language, as I said earlier. Now, for younger kids, it's very different. Younger kids generally are more susceptible to forget their first language, especially if they are immersed to a new language environment. Especially if they don't hear the first language at home, never spoken the first language at home, there's a tendency that they will forget their first language. So that's it for now. See you next time and have a good one.